Well, a little bit ago she was snoring, trying to get her snoring. She's not doing it now. She's dreaming. She's dreaming about something. She's snoring. She must be running or something in her sleep. We just had a thunderstorm over here, so maybe she's a little freaked out about that. But she's out. She's totally out. She must be having a dream. Can you hear her snoring? I hope she's having a good dream, not a bad dream. I hope she's dreaming about running in my backyard and playing with Kathy and Patty and Susan and Donna. I'm pretty sure she's doing something. She's dreaming. It looks painful, but it's not. What in the heck? What are you doing, Beeps? What are you doing? Are you sweeping? Are you dreaming? What are you doing? She's my dog. This is my dog. Whose dog is this? She's got her eyes closed. Whose dog is this? Who's the sleepy dog? The sleepy dog. What are you doing? You sleepy dog. She's a sleepy dog. Trying to get her to snore. She was snoring really loud.